Hello guys, I am again welcoming you to a new video of the soil, that is the important formulas of soil. First one is the void ratio. Void ratio is what? It is nothing but volume of void over volume of solid. That can also be written as GW over S and G gamma W over gamma D minus 1, and also N over 1 minus N. Here N is the porosity. Second one is the porosity, means percentage of voids. Porosity N is equal to volume of void over total volume. ठीक है. It can also be written as E over 1 plus E. Third one is degree of saturation. SR is equal to volume of water over volume of void. GW over E. Fourth one is the water content. Water content is what? Weight of water over weight of solid. ठीक है. Fifth one is the air content, means volume of air over volume of void. Air content is equal to 1 minus degree of saturation. Okay. Sixth one is the percentage air voids. Na is equal to volume of air over total volume, and it can also be written as Na is equal to air content into N. N means porosity. Seventh one is the bulk unit weight. Bulk unit weight, it can also be written as gamma B or gamma T is equal to total weight by total volume. It can also be written as in the another formula G minus AC into gamma W over 1 plus E. ठीक है. In the eighth point, we have to know about dry unit weight. Gamma D is equal to Ws over total volume V equal to G over G gamma W over 1 plus E. It can also be written as gamma over 1 plus W means water content, or gamma T means bulk unit weight, और ठीक है gamma T over 1 plus W. Saturated unit weight can be written as gamma sat is equal to W saturated, weight of saturated over total volume. It can also be written as G plus E into gamma W over 1 plus E. Here you are changing, here you are seeing that all the formulas are same, but only difference is the value of S. Dry unit weight, no water, so there will be no E and no S. ठीक है. And in the bulk unit weight we have to write SE, and in the saturated unit weight here S is saturated completely, soil is completely saturated, so we have to remove the S. His value is 1, and here we write the E. Now here is the submerged unit weight. Gamma submerged is equal to gamma saturated minus gamma W. It can also be written as G minus 1, submerged में लिखते हैं G minus 1 into gamma W over 1 plus E. ठीक है. और यूनिट वेट ऑफ सॉलिड क्या होता है? गामा एस इक्वल टू WS ओवर VS. यूनिट वेट ऑफ वाटर क्या होता है? गामा W वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर ओवर वेट ऑफ वाटर ओवर टोटल मतलब टोटल वेट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. ठीक है. स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी क्या होता है? G इज इक्वल टू गामा एस ओवर गामा W. ओके. मास स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी क्या होता है? Gm इज इक्वल टू गामा ओवर गामा W. एंड लास्ट फार्मूला ये होता है सहवाग फार्मूला, हम बोलते हैं AC इज इक्वल टू WG. ठीक है. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू.